Next page 237. It is a conversion. Conversion is really more important. Okay. Because next coming years also you need this. So you need to be thorough about this. See, convert the masses into kilogram. First question is we need to convert to kilogram. So we know kilogram. That is what is given here. 6500 gram. How many kilograms? So what we know? We know gram to kilogram, that is small to big. What we will do? We will divide by, what is the conversion number? Only 1000. In both the case, gram to kilogram or kilogram to gram, it is dividing by 1000. So 6500 divided by 1000. So these two zeros I can cancel. Here also two zeros I can cancel. So what is left? 65 by 10. 65 by 10 means we will move 1 point left. When we divide, we will always move left. When we multiply, we will always move right. The decimals. Okay, I'm saying about the decimals. So it becomes what? 6.5 kilogram. 6500 means 6.5 kilogram. Or you can just say 6500 divided by 1000. How many zeros in 1000? There are 3 zeros. So if you are not cancelling, you can do like this. 3 zeros means from this place. 6500 means 6500.0. 3 zeros means we need to move this decimal place 3 places, this decimal point 3 places left. So from here if we are jumping 1, 2, 3. So where the decimal point will come? The decimal point will come in between 6 and 5. That is in front of 5. So it becomes 6.5. Is it clear? Same thing. See, all the questions same way. 8000 gram. How I can do 8000 divided by 1000? All the 3 zeros will get cancelled. So it becomes 8 kilogram. Coming to this. 7200 gram. What we will do? Divide by 1000. So again, if you are not cancelling 3 zeros. So from here you move 1, 2, 3. So where it will come? Just we need to count 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So in front of that you just put the decimal. So it is 7.2. Like that you do the mass conversion from mass gram to kilogram first. Okay. The next one is conversion from kilogram to gram. Okay. Both same way. Only thing is one we are multiplying, the other one we are dividing. So here conversion of gram to kilogram. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So 5 kilogram is how much? 5 multiply 1000. That is 5000. Is it? When it comes to decimal, 4.4 kilogram. What I will do? 4.4 multiply 1000. That means multiplication. That means this decimal will move towards right. How many places? There are 3 zeros. So it will move 3 times 3 places right. So from here I am jumping 1. I have only 1 digit. So I need 2 more. So what will be the answer? 4400 grams. Okay. The same way you do this up to H. You can just do this, and if you have any doubts, please contact me because it is very important. I will clear your doubts. Okay. Same thing here. See, tick the heaviest. So which is more heavier in this one? You need to do that. That also see, in this 3 boxes are given. The first box, the balance, the weight. What is the mass shown? 1.5 kilogram. Here it is 700 gram. Here it is 1400 gram. So always keep one thing in your mind. Here 2 different units are given. First one in kilogram and rest 2 are in gram. So the first step is convert all the units to same. Here already these 2 are in gram. So what I will do? I can convert this also to gram or this to kilogram. No problem. Either these 2 you need to convert to kilogram or this one you need to convert to gram. Then all the units will be same. 1.5 kilogram. How many gram? 1.5 multiply 1000. So it becomes 1500. Now it is easy for you to compare. 1500 gram, 700 gram, 1400 gram. So which will be the heaviest? Obviously this, is it? And which is the lightest? This one. So like this you need to do this homework. Okay. So the homework for measurement mass is workbook pages 188 and 189. Don't think there are too much pages. Don't think so, because this is just to see the figure and tick whether it is gram or milligram, which one we are using, what weight we are using. Okay. Only this page number 237 is for conversion. Rest everything is very simple things. Okay. It will not take too much time. And not only that, not today. In 2-3 days you just go through that and finish it. So in student book 235, 236 and 237. I will discuss the answers for page 237. That is the conversion I already explained. So what you should do, first you do this and then after that you just come and check the answers. Okay, we can just check for the answers also here. So the explanation for the answers in page 237. See, we already discussed the same thing. Look, 6500 gram. So what we will do, gram to kilogram divide by 1000. So 6500 divided by 1000. Last two zeros. When zeros comes in the last places, we can cancel it. Is it? So 2 zeros here in the numerator. So denominator also 2 zeros I can cancel. So 65 by 10 is 6.5 kg. Or else, as I said you, 6500 divided by 1000. 3 zeros here. So from here you count 3 places from the unit place. Start from the unit and then put the decimal. So 1, 2, 3. 5 is the third place, is it? So in front of that you put the decimal. So it becomes 6.5 kg. Again see, 10,000 grams. What we will do? 10,000 divided by 1000. 3 zeros we can cancel. So nothing is there. Straight away you can write 10 kg. See, another one I have done here. So see, 1 kg, 1000 gram, 1 gram, 1 by 1000 kg. This one is, we are using this one here. Again, 33,600 grams. So what is it? 33,600 divided by 1000. If we are cancelling the zeros, only 1 point. By 10 we can divide, or else 3 zeros here. So from here you just move 1, 2, 3. So where the decimal place will come? 33.6. Just 3 places. You just move 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So in front of 6, we'll put the decimal. Okay. If we cancel 2 zeros, it becomes 336 divided by 10. So only 1 place. So in front of 6, we will put. Whatever it is, the answer will be 33.6. Okay. Is it clear? Same way, the next homework also. That also we already discussed. But you can just go through that once more. Next one also. See. Same way. You know this. 5 kg. So again, 1 kilogram, 1000 grams. So 5 kilogram, 5 into 1000. That is 5000 gram. 3.6 kilogram. What is that? 3.6 multiply 1000. That means 3 points. From this, the decimal will move towards right 3 places. Okay. That is what called decimal multiplication. Division means it will move left. When we multiply, it will move right. The decimal will move right. Then only we will get a big number. When we multiply, always we are getting a big number. So see, I have only 3.6. So I move 1. I want 2 more. Nothing is there. So I put 2 zeros. So what's the answer? 3600. Okay. Same way you do all the sums. Again, see last one. I again done 0.5 kg. So what I should do? 0.5 multiply 1000. So again from here 1, 2, 3. So what's the answer? It becomes 500.0. It is same as 500 grams. Okay. So the last one also comparing the same thing I explained. You can just do it again. See, 1.5 kilogram. I am converting to gram first by multiplying by 1000. So it becomes 1500 gram. Then 1500 gram, 700 gram and 1400 gram. So which is heaviest? This is the heaviest. Or else if you want, you can convert this to kilogram. How I will convert to kilogram? Divide by 1000. So it becomes 0.7. This becomes what? 1.4. So 1.5, 0.7, 1.4. So which is heaviest? This one. Decimal comparison. That also we have studied. Is it? So any method you can adopt, no problem. Okay. So actually for math, there are different methods will be there. Answer should be correct. Whichever one you want, you can choose. Okay. So if you have any doubts in this, please contact me. Okay. Please clear your doubts through WhatsApp. And the introduction which I had sent yesterday in the last class for length, the same thing is applicable here also. So first you go through that, then you do all these exercises. Okay. So thank you so much. Take care.